Today, we are going to learn about carbon cycle.
Before we jump right into it, I would kindly ask you to subscribe for the channel to stay updated.
The carbon cycle is how carbon moves through the air, water, land, and living things. It helps regulate the Earth's climate, supports life, and keeps carbon balanced. This cycle involves pathways that move carbon between plants, animals, the environment, and rocks. First one, carbon in the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains carbon dioxide and methane, which are essential for life and climate regulation. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, helping trap heat and maintain Earth's temperature. It serves as a primary carbon source for plants and photosynthetic organisms. Second, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is how plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. This process stores carbon in plant biomass, forming the base of the food chain. Third one, respiration. Respiration occurs in all living organisms, where glucose is broken down using oxygen to release energy. This process releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere or water. Fourth, decomposition. Decomposition breaks down dead plants and animals, recycling carbon. Decomposers like fungi and bacteria release carbon dioxide and methane during this process, while some carbon is stored in soil. Fifth one, carbon in the ocean. Oceans are Earth's largest active carbon reservoirs. Carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater and forms compounds like carbonic acid and carbonate ions, which marine organisms use to build shells. Sixth one, ocean-atmosphere exchange. Carbon dioxide is exchanged between the ocean and atmosphere. Cool water absorbs more carbon dioxide, while warmer water releases it back into the air. Seventh one, fossil fuel formation. Over millions of years, buried plants and animals are transformed into fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas due to heat and pressure. This stores carbon in geological formations. Eighth, combustion. Combustion releases stored carbon rapidly into the atmosphere. Burning fossil fuels and biomass converts organic carbon into carbon dioxide, contributing to climate change. Ninth one, volcanic activity. Volcanic eruptions release carbon stored in Earth's crust as carbon dioxide, contributing to the long-term carbon cycle. 10th, rock weathering and carbonate formation. Chemical weathering of rocks releases ions that combine with carbon to form carbonates in the ocean. These processes sequester carbon over geological timescales. 11th, sedimentation and long-term carbon storage. Carbon stored in ocean sediments forms rocks like limestone over millions of years, trapping carbon for the long term. Human impacts on the carbon cycle. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have increased carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. This disrupts the natural carbon cycle and accelerates climate change. Importance of the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle supports life and regulates Earth's climate. Protecting this balance is essential for future generations. Summary: the carbon cycle moves carbon through the Earth's systems, like air, water, and soil. Processes like photosynthesis and sedimentation help keep the planet in balance. Protecting this balance by reducing carbon emissions and supporting natural carbon sinks is essential for our climate and future.